Imagine a world where you could accomplish your tasks efficiently without feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Welcome to the realm of improving your organization and workload management skills. Organization and workload management are more than just buzzwords. They are the keys to unlocking your productivity and reducing stress in the workplace. When we lack these vital skills, it leads to missed deadlines, increased stress, and decreased productivity, creating a ripple effect that impacts not just you, but your entire team. On the other hand, mastering these skills can lead to a more balanced work life, increased job satisfaction, and a boost in overall productivity. So how can we harness these skills to create a more organized, efficient, and stress-free work environment? That's what we'll be exploring in this video series. The ability to manage your workload and stay organized is not just a desirable trait, it's a necessity in today's fast-paced work environment. Now you might be thinking, I'm already organized, I have my to-do lists, but is that really enough? Let's dig a little deeper into this common misconception. Just having a to-do list doesn't equate to effective workload management. It's a good starting point, but it's not the be-all and end-all. A list of tasks can easily become overwhelming if not properly managed. And here's another misconception, that workload management is solely about getting tasks done. It's not. It's also about understanding the value of each task, knowing what resources are needed, and being able to deliver on time and within scope. Moreover, workload management isn't just for the individual. It's a crucial skill for teams and organizations as well. It's about coordinating tasks, setting realistic deadlines, and ensuring that everyone has a manageable workload. Workload management is not just about ticking off boxes on your to-do list. It's about prioritizing tasks, allocating resources, and maximizing productivity. So, what's the secret weapon to mastering workload management? It's simpler than you might think. Let's introduce you to a concept called time blocking. It's not a new idea, but it's one that stood the test of time because, it works. Time blocking is all about designating specific chunks of time to particular tasks or activities throughout your day. It's like setting appointments with yourself to get work done. Why is it so effective? It's because it forces you to prioritize your tasks. You start to see exactly where your time is going and, more importantly, where it should be going. It creates a visual map of your day, helping you to stay focused and productive. Consider this. Instead of constantly reacting to emails and requests as they come in, you set aside specific times for these tasks. This approach allows you to take control and avoid those pesky distractions. By using time blocking, you can take control of your time and ensure that you're focusing on the tasks that truly matter. You might be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, let's dive into the benefits of effective workload management. First off, it's all about productivity. When you effectively manage your workload, you're able to focus on what truly matters, boosting your output and performance. You'll find yourself completing tasks faster and more efficiently, paving the way for new opportunities and achievements. Next, we have stress reduction. Juggling multiple tasks without a clear plan can be overwhelming. But when you manage your workload effectively, you eliminate the chaos, replacing it with a sense of control and peace. And let's not forget the improved work-life balance. With an organized workload, you're more likely to finish your tasks within working hours, leaving you with more time for personal pursuits, be it spending time with family or diving into a new hobby. By mastering workload management, you can transform your work life, reducing stress and boosting productivity. So, are you ready to take control of your workload and revolutionize your work life? In our time together, we've debunked common misconceptions about workload management, introduced you to the most effective tool for organization, and highlighted the benefits of mastering these skills. You've seen how these techniques can transform your work life, making you more efficient, less stressed, and ultimately more successful. But remember, knowledge is nothing without action. Start applying these methods today. Take it one step at a time, reflect on your progress, adjust your strategies, and gradually you'll see improvements. And we'd love to hear about your journey. Share your experiences in the comments below. How have these techniques worked for you? What challenges did you face? Your insights could help others on their path to better workload management. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and techniques to boost your productivity. Remember, the key to mastering workload management is practice and persistence. Start today and watch your productivity soar.